Hello everyone, Mcpe here. Welcome back to a new video, and this is episode 4 of Skyblock. And as I have a lot of visitors in here on my island. Well, at the last video I said that I will be making my base, my own island on Skyblock. Well, here it is. Well, I am still working on this. I am expanding this. Yeah, I will making this really big, and I'm gonna add a farm here. I have a lot of friends in here. Not really friends, but visitors. Well, I advertised my island, yeah, to have visitors, and stuff. So yeah, and also I have the maximum rank right now, which I have Skylord rank. Okay, rank. Okay, as you can see right there, Skylord rank. If I do /ranks, I have I'm level 802, which Skylord is level 800. Yeah. Well, anyways, I will expand this base, and I will be right back once I'm done expanding this and decorating. Yeah. Also, guys, I have a lot of resources in here. I set it up, and if you look at the food, it's full of pork chops. I also have this thing right here. And yep, right there, and then yeah, right, resources there. I sold a lot of resources to rank cap on Skylord. I did like a day, not really a day, but a couple of hours or minutes. Yeah, I don't know. And I just ranked up to Skylord because I'm freaking addicted to this game. Skylord looks cool. I'm cool. Instead of Skylord, I hit the chat so that it will be annoying. Well, anyways, you guys, I'll just be right back. I'll just continue to expand this base. Anyway, so I'll be right back. Yo, okay, so I'm sorry, Will, because I just wanted to show you guys the new spawn that I made. It looks really actually cool, like the hot air balloons, really cool. Well, anyways, I'll just do the things that I had to do. They also added the redstone on shot, but there's no life lazuli, just the epics anyway. And they also removed the enchants on shop because it's too buggy, they said. Well, anyways, I'll just sell stuff and be right back.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 I'm safe and sound.
Anyways, you guys, that is all the video is about. Well, I know it's kind of short. Well, if you want to see more, just leave a like and comment down below. Well, this is the result that. Well, I'm still gonna be improving this. I'm gonna put the signs, some grass, some stuff. Well, yes. Well, on the next episode, on the next video, I'll probably make something new, entertaining video like Tandy Wars. Well, anyways, you guys, bye bye, you guys, bye bye.